everybody, so this is a quick automotive items, kind of an unboxing without the unboxing. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. So I picked up all of these things from Autozone. I did do a tool haul version of this video. This is going to be, instead of an unboxing, basically everything just came out of the bag. But I picked up all these items because I'm going to be doing some custom build on the exhaust for the 4Runner. I'm going to be putting a race muffler on it, which is a Flowmaster Super 10 muffler. And I picked up some different adapters. I picked up a 2.5 ID by 2.25 OD. I picked up a 2.5 ID by 2.25 ID. I picked up a 2.25 ID by 2.5 OD. I picked up a 2.5 ID by 2.5 ID, basically. And then I picked up a 2.25 ID by a 2.25 OD. I picked up this 2.25 ID 18-inch and this 2.5-inch ID by 18-inch. I picked up this lighted flex head pickup tool. Extends to 22 inches. Powerful LED light. Includes 4 LR44 batteries. Pocket clip. And this one I'm going to have to go to a different AutoZone near me. This one is bent and it won't straighten. Or this one will. I picked up a black and a silver. But this one's got like something wrong. And the way it's set up is it's got a telescoping wand. Like that. And then the end pops out with a flex shaft. With a flexi. So there's something definitely wrong with this one. So I'm probably going to run back to the store and just replace it real quick. Hopefully they have it. These were only $2.99 instead of $4.99. I picked them up. I figured they'd come in handy. They would have been useful the other day when I dropped the bolt in the engine bay and it hit the back of the header and just fell underneath the exhaust shield, right underneath that spot of the header that I literally swore I was looking at for an hour. But I'm going to be cutting out the old muffler, which is 4 times bigger, if not 5 or 6 times bigger. We're going to be putting a race muffler in it, which is a Flowmaster Super 10 series aggressive sound race muffler. And I got all of these just in case, and I also got these in case I needed to, I needed this ID, but I needed it to be longer instead of these couplers. They're not very long, so if I needed it like 2-3 inches longer, I could cut it longer if I need. The ID on the Flowmaster is 2.5 inch or 2.5 inch. And the exhaust on my truck, it's odd. According to Toyota spec information, it's supposed to be 2.25 inches, which would be 2.25. But for some reason, it's reading at 2 3/8. And the 2.5 for some reason is reading a little bit bigger. And maybe somebody that does exhaust could explain to me why they don't exactly read as 2.5 or 2.25. Or the specification size they're supposed to for ID or OD. For some reason, they like the 2.5 reads at like 2 7/8, something like that, or 2 3/4, not 2 7/8, and the 2.25 is reading at 2 3/8 for some reason on the ID. So I don't know, but and the OD is actually reading larger. But I picked up a bunch of these different adapters or couplers, so hopefully I can get to that soon. I already ordered the muffler. I will be ordering probably a race cat as well. I just haven't done that yet. I'm actually just focusing on the back half of the vehicle right now. I can always cut the cat out and put the new cat in later. And I'll show you in the next videos. I got some other piping. So please stick around for those upcoming videos as well. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Leave me comments down below. Let me know what you guys think of what I'm doing. Maybe you guys have suggestions. If you guys are an exhaust tech or an exhaust mechanic of some kind and you know how they work, you know, if you can explain a little more information. It's never made any sense to me. Please let me know. Leave it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links if I didn't say that, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace.
Yeah.